YouTube, what is the word? I ain't gonna lie. Listen, this is the beginning of the video, you know what I'm saying? No cap, so I want everybody to hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, before I start this video, no cap, because like I ain't pick up the camera in a long time. But look, listen, you know what I'm saying, right now, we, you know what I'm saying, curly in the whip. I ain't gonna lie, I came from the mechanic shop earlier, and I get my, I can't talk, but came from the mechanic shop earlier, and I did get my car situated fully. I got my car, I don't know, I don't know, my car was messed up. I had all types of crazy stuff happening in my car, whatever, so I got it situated. Oh, is my hood open? I need to fix that gap. But nah though, so basically, listen, I got my car situated because, to be honest with y'all, I was looking to get a truck. Oh, my bad. I was looking to get a truck, to be honest with y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm not having a good experience finding a truck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just working my car instead of getting a truck. You know what I'm saying? You know, if y'all follow me on Instagram or social media, I know, you know what I'm saying, I do have a son on the way, you feel me? I do have a kid on the way, you know what I'm saying? Congratulations to me, you feel me? But look, I'm saying, look, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting my car situated instead of getting a truck. So what I did, I got all the shit that I had that's messed up. I got all the stuff that's messed up on there. All that, you know what I'm saying, situated. I'm about to get my grill part right here. I'm gonna probably get a new hood. I'm gonna get a half and half wrap. You see, this side right here is imperfect. This side right here got all types of craziness, messes wrong with it and everything like that. But this side right here is perfect, you feel me? So I'm gonna get a half wrap on here. This other side right here is gonna be like a black color, maybe like satin black, I don't know. But basically, yeah, I'm getting that. I'm about to get me some rims, and I'm about to get the diffuser, you know what I'm saying, that I need on the bottom right there. I'm about to get my diffuser situated and stuff like that. So I'm about to get the whole car situated, you know what I'm saying, get the chrome taken off. And then after I get that situated, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to be good, you feel me? So no cap, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, to be honest with y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I just started this video because we about to go on a little ride out and everything, 47 Mopar. If y'all know, y'all know. You know what I'm saying? Apparently, I'm not saying apparently, but they say SRT Reek's supposed to be in the city, you know what I'm saying? Because it's legal pit tomorrow too. I might not go to the legal pit, so that's why I'm about to ride out. And I'm by myself, like always, dolo, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? We about to get it situated. I just want to update y'all on my car real quick because like I said, I haven't put up the video in a long time. I've been focusing on my life, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a family. You feel me? I got a kid now, you feel me? So I haven't been recording nothing like that, so I'm gonna try to lock in. And I do got a lot of old videos I did not post, so I'm gonna try to lock in all of my old videos that I didn't post. I'm gonna try to get them situated and stuff like that. So with that being said, I'm saying I'm about to go inside the store, get me something to drink, you know what I'm saying? But I'm saying we in the hood, so you already know. She in the hood, sure, you already know. And oh my gosh, I just hit the door. No, I know y'all heard that. Oh, it hit right there. I know y'all heard that, bro. But yeah, I'm in the trenches though, so I got it, what I'm saying. Yeah, I know, you know what I'm saying, big paddock. I know, when y'all in the trenches, you know, keep it. You feel me? But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna get a whole interior done too. Like I'm gonna get like ambient lighting. I'm gonna switch my steering wheel out to like an SRT steering wheel or whatever. And I don't know. I'm gonna get the whole thing situated, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, to be honest with y'all, yeah, I'm slacking on this car. And I get my tent fixed and everything. I'm gonna get everything I need to get completely, you know what I'm saying, all situated and everything like that. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to turn this camera off. I'm about to walk out this store and I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, get what I need to get, no cap, because yeah. Okay.
What's going on?
Tell us about your fit.
This Balenciaga, like 10 bands. Only one made for me. Only me. I know the personal director of Balenciaga. Come tap in with me.
I already knew he was gonna come up popping. No cap.
Alright, now I think that been recording.
Alright, bro, down the top corner. Yeah.
Why you bothering me?
What's up, black man?
Chilling, other black man.
Trying to figure out how to work this shit. Yeah.
No cap. We out here lit. No yap. We're teed up. And we about to get active. No cap. I can't get active really. But you know, I'm about to get in.
The pit my
Guy and old Yappity. We at the pit right now. Hold up.
This one open right here. Back there, right there.
No cap, but look.
Y'all other car got repo. Not repo. The police seized it.
This be a perfect pit slide right now. I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? But I can't even show y'all. Time again. Yo, so look. Not gonna lie, know what I'm saying? I'm not recording the car sliding and everything like that because I can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know YouTube's strict now, no cap, so I gotta be careful what I post on YouTube. I'm gonna get taken down, so I'm doing like certain stuff. I already hit the pinata, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying, a little Betty, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. What? I got the bat, you know what I'm saying? Hit the pinata with a bat, you know what I'm saying? And I also, you know what I'm saying? Hit the little car with that little bit too, you know what I'm saying?
You pull up right now?
Righteous Tay?
Yeah.
Righteous Chris?
Yeah.
Bryson Gay Leland?
Yep. Very. Oh shit. Oh no. Yo, no cap. So listen, I had started a video today, but I didn't go to the meet. No cap, so y'all gonna see that, and it's gonna be cut off. But look, right now, I did say in the other video that I was gonna get my car wrapped. You feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, it's not finished all the way, but it's somewhat kind of finished. So, and I'm nervous, even though I seen pictures and everything already. I'm nervous. My heart beating fast, and I'm nervous. So we better go look at this thing real quick. It's not gonna look complete because of course I don't got the rims already, you feel me? Gotta get the black rims to go with it, and I got a spoiler in the back seat, you feel me? My spoiler's taken off of it, and plus I don't got the, you know what I'm saying, full decal on there, and I don't got, you know what I'm saying, the chrome delete on the right side is not finished yet. We're gonna bring it back next week and get it complete. But right now, I'm just gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna show you real quick, you feel me? Dang, I look good.
Not too much.
Jay, I look good.
Not too much.
Like, oh, see, look. Exactly. But now though, I'm gonna let y'all know when y'all get to the spot, because I'm right here. Outside. Dang, this joint tough. Okay.
Don't look that bad with the chrome though.
You said with the chrome?
Said don't look bad with the chrome, but
Nah,
obviously the back.
Uh-huh.
Black.
Nah, this joint tough. Damn. What is the word, y'all? I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? I haven't showed y'all my whole car yet, and I ain't gonna lie, I've been slacking. Then I got my guy David. What's the word?
What's up?
And I got Dalton.
What's up?
I think I said, hey look, listen, I ain't show y'all my car yet. I haven't been slacking, I have not been recording. But guess what? I'm saying, since y'all seen the car before, I had did some more stuff to it. So look, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all real quick, slowly. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Listen, hey, pause. You see this right here? I don't know how to put this in. Look, if somebody know how to put that in, let me know, because I don't know how to do it. But I'm gonna also show y'all too. I'm gonna show y'all something I got. Boom. Oh, man. Hold on, I gotta put a flash on that. Look, them joints clean. Stop playing. Look, listen, I ain't gonna lie. I know y'all been telling me, you know what I'm saying, my car was a striker for so long, but guess what? That joint taken care of, and that don't look like no striker no more. You feel me? It's perfectly good. You feel me? And I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I feel like him, you feel me? Look, and I'm fine, look. I'm also, look, let me see how much subscribers I am from, where my app at? Oh, listen, I am currently am I doing my math right? Four?
Yeah,
Four away from 8,000. I'm about to go around and tell everybody to subscribe. I'm watch. Let me go tell everybody to subscribe. Watch this. Come on. We gonna go get people to subscribe to me. Come on. I'm like, hey, you watch YouTube? Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, should I post up on my car and do that so I can look cool? Sound like I'm just a random person?
Yeah.
Right back. Four away, subscribe. I'm 4 away. 4 away from 8K, subscribe. Fuck 'em. 4 away from 8K.
4 ways to 8K subscribers. I got you.
Oh, okay.
Make that 3.
I'm trying to promote, self-promote.
Follow me on Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
HW Mustang.
HW Mustang.
It's a
The Hot Wheels Mustang, yeah.
Oh, HW Mustang.
He's base tag.
Wait, this one right here?
That's the one.
All right, got you. But yo, oh yeah, my channel right here.
That's a
Tag.
sick wrap, by the way.
Nah, I appreciate it. I just got it done.
Base Tay. Got you, dude.
I appreciate it. Oh, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice watch, too, man.
I appreciate it. Protect. But nah, guess what? Stop playing. 3-way. Look, that's all you gotta look. That's all you gotta do. Self promote. All you gotta do is post up, and I'm saying just sit there and wait for people to come up to you. And if they look like they watch YouTube, they gonna do it. I need me some cards so I can start putting on people. Look, if I get a card, I'm gonna start sticking it to stuff. No, I'm gonna get stickers and a card. All you gotta do is scan the barcode, and when they scan the barcode, I ain't gonna lie, they gonna. I'm saying, yo, they gonna.
Oh, shit.
Hold up. Who else can I ask to subscribe?
That's just a waiting game.
Like,
right
I don't see nobody.
now. Yeah.
I mean, all I see is older people, and you know, older people don't. I mean, shit, maybe. I mean, you never know. Shit, think about it. Older Mopar people, they watch YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
There's a couple 300 here too. Other 300.
For real?
There's one down there, one up here.
I don't care.
It's a white one. It's kind of.
Look,
It looks like Amazon like mods.
it ain't better than mine though.
No, it really ain't.
Okay, so I'm 3-way. Am I doing the math right?
Yes.
3-way?
Yeah.
Okay, back. 3-way. 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 Baby, subscribe, baby.
I'm already subscribed. I've been your first subscriber, to be honest.
3-way.
You got a YouTube account?
3-way from 8,000. On YouTube. No.
That's why he's divorced anyways.
I just poured it to my phone. I'm like, 3-way from 8,000. He said, he looked at it closest on or what? No. Bro. Oh my gosh. Well, he don't like my car?
He's not bigger than the program. He likes that pink Mustang. No, look at him.
You know why? Because I am.
You were.
I can't say it, but you know. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. So look, let's rate his camera work. So how you think he been doing so
You don't
far?
got the stance though.
I don't think he got an angle. You feel me?
Yeah. I've never done this before, chat.
Yeah, I know. Hold up. What? Hit that subscribe button just because I hit that dance. You know what I'm saying?
I'm recording.
3-way from 8,000 subscribers. Please follow me. 3-way. YouTube. 3-way. It's not working, bro. I'm trying my hardest just to try to get this. It's not working. What do I gotta do? Like, am I? Like, do I look crazy?
Persistence. Keep going.
All right, bet. Look, I'm not supposed to get. You can't give up when you know what I'm saying. One thing. Look, listen. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna hit it by the.
It just went up 2. We need one more.
That's crazy. It just went up 2. I need one more. Hold up. YouTube.
You guys watch YouTube?
I'm 1 away from 8,000. I'm 1 away.
You guys watch YouTube?
We need one more for 8,000.
Yeah.
One more for 8,000.
One more song for 8K.
Oh yeah, I'm on it.
Let me see.
Let's do it.
Let me see. Y'all see right there?
Was it base 2?
Yeah, base tape.
Period tag.
No, it's just base tape. It's not a period.
T-A-E.
T-A-E.
Yeah.
Let's have it.
Hold on, let's refresh it.
Yeah, here we go.
You got it?
It's not working.
He did it. This ain't lagging.
Man.
I'm going home. I appreciate it,
bro.
I'm going home. Thank you.
Take care, man.
It's out. It's time to go.
Get out of here, chat.